Okay, also prior to the break, you were given this assignment, which I'd like to briefly go over. So you were to go to this YouTube site and just make notes based on what the individual was saying. So from there, we learned that from peak to peak here is known as the period. And essentially, this is just the repeated portion of the wave. And on a regular sinusoidal function, from this point to this point would be known as 2 pi, and we'll come back to that at a later time. The other thing we determined was what the sinusoidal axis, also known as the axis of symmetry. So on this, the point is that we could literally fold this and have an equal distance above as below the axes. And the video showed us that to determine what this line of this axis is just to add the maximum point of your function with the minimum point and divide them by 2. And whatever value that is what this line, this sinusoidal axle, will be. The next term that was introduced was amplitude. Amplitude is just the distance from that sinusoidal axis to the absolute maximum, or the sinusoidal axis to the absolute minimum, because this distance should be the same as this one here. That's the whole point of finding this axis. Then you were asked to to answer a couple of questions. Now I've uploaded this on Teams, so you can go have a look and hopefully compare to your answers which were previously completed.